Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to sign up for T-Mobile directly from your PC, so you can start a new plan or account without going to a store. If you're trying to sign up for T-Mobile on your computer but get stuck on confusing menus, form errors, or verification steps, it's usually because the T-Mobile website can be tricky to navigate or certain browsers may block some features. Many people see pages reload or error messages when entering personal information. Don't worry, I'll guide you through the step-by-step process to create your T-Mobile account smoothly and start your plan online. Here's what you need to do. Step 1. Open the T-Mobile website. Go to www.tmobile.com on your PC. Use a modern browser like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox for the best experience. Step 2. Click on Sign Up or Shop Plans. On the home page, look for Sign Up or Shop Plans. This will take you to the page where you can choose a new plan and start your account. Step 3. Choose your plan. Select the type of plan you want: individual or family plan, data-only plan, or prepaid plan. Take a moment to compare plans. T-Mobile often has promotions or bonus data options that save money. Step 4. Add a device or bring your own phone. Choose whether you want a new phone from T-Mobile or to bring your own device. Enter the device details if you're bringing your own device. Step 5. Create your account. Enter your personal information: name, email, phone number, billing address, payment details. Follow the prompts to verify your identity. Step 6. Complete checkout. Review your plan and device selections. Click Submit or Complete Order to finalize your T-Mobile account. Once your order is confirmed, your account is ready to use immediately, and you can manage it directly online. And that's it. You're now signed up for T-Mobile on your PC and ready to use your new plan. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick guides.